A single banana farm is too big for one small monkey to ever buy alone.
But the jungle found a clever way to let any monkey own a piece of it. To see how, we have to understand what a stock really is, in plain words. In the monkey village stands one enormous banana farm, taller and wider than any treehouse. It grows far more bananas every season than its single owner could ever pick alone. Buying the whole farm would cost an impossible mountain of bananas, far beyond one baboon.
Ordinary monkeys watch the harvest and wish they could share in all that fruit. But the farm is simply too big and too expensive for any one of them. The farm owner has her own problem. Standing among trees she cannot fully tend. She wants to plant more trees and build more baskets, but lacks the bananas. Growing the farm alone would take her many long seasons she does not have.
So both sides are stuck, eager howler monkeys outside, and a farm that cannot grow. Then the jungle suggests one clever idea that changes everything for the whole village. Cut the ownership of the farm into many small, equal pieces, the same size. Each little piece is called a share, a token that means you own part. The owner keeps a stack of shares and offers the rest out to the village.
A young monkey steps up, hands over a few bananas, and receives one share.
Another macaque does the same, then another, each trading bananas for a small share. Hundreds of monkeys join in, and their bananas pour into one very large basket. That big basket of pooled bananas now belongs to the farm, ready to be used. The owner takes the basket and plants rows of brand new banana trees across the hills. She builds more baskets, hires more helpers, and the farm slowly begins to grow. Now the farm is not owned by one chimpanzee, but by the whole village together. Each monkey owns a little slice, and the farm finally has bananas to grow with. Let us slow down and name the simple idea hiding inside this monkey story. A share, also called a stock, is just a small piece of ownership in something. Owning a share of the farm means you own a tiny part of the farm itself. That includes the trees, the baskets, and every future harvest the farm will bring. A real company sells shares for the very same reason our banana farm did. It wants bananas to grow with, but would rather not borrow and repay them. So it sells small pieces of itself, and many owners help the company grow. Now imagine, the farm has a wonderful season, with baskets overflowing with golden bananas. The farm keeps some bananas to keep growing, but shares the extra fruit around. Each share-owning monkey receives a small handful of bananas from that good harvest. That handful, paid out to owners from profit, is what we call a dividend. Because a thriving farm is wonderful to own, more monkeys now want a share. When many monkeys want a share, its price climbs higher, more bananas to buy in. But after a weak harvest, fewer monkeys want in, and a share's price drifts down. So a share's price simply follows how well the real farm is actually doing. The stock market is just the village clearing where monkeys buy and sell these shares. This one idea quietly changes how the entire jungle economy works together. A monkey no longer has to plant a whole farm to share in a harvest. They can simply own a small slice of a farm that is already thriving. And the farm gets the pooled bananas it needs to plant, build, and grow.
But every owning monkey should clearly understand the balance that comes with a share. A share is tied to a real farm, with real seasons, both good and lean. Good harvests lift the value of a share, and weak harvests gently pull it down. Owning a piece means sharing the farm's bright years and its difficult years alike. The market lets monkeys share ownership and share the ups and downs that follow. So here is the whole idea, gathered into one simple, plain, monkey-sized thought. A stock is nothing more than a small piece of a real, working business.
The market is where those pieces trade, and value follows how the business does.
We leave the village clearing calm, monkeys trading shares, while the farm grows behind them. This is how the market works, not advice. Subscribe for more economics made plain.